Bafowethu, I got more updates on Kaizer Chiefs. I got more updates on Fiacre Ntwari, Mahlambi, more players coming to Kaizer Chiefs and more players leaving Kaizer Chiefs. I got updates on Kaizer Chiefs fixtures for July and August, and I also got interesting updates on Jamie Webber. So, Bafowethu, you know the drill. Just watch the full video, comment down below, and like the video. Let's just jump straight into it together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Great Town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. So bafethu, I know I've been giving you a Kaizer Chiefs update, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Watch the whole video, like the video, comment down below to cabanga nge-content enginiphasele yona. I love reading your comments bafethu, so nenze sure ukuthi niya comment. One thing I want to clear out, because I did the same video last year when I started the channel. I know my channel is still small and many people may not trust it, but trust me bafethu, I wouldn't be here ngiyazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ilandelwa abantu abadala, abancane, abantu besifazane, obaba. Mina ngumuntu ohloniphayo, so I wouldn't come here and busy tell you lies, guys. I'm only here because I love Kaizer Chiefs. I always want to get something on for some news and Kaizer Chiefs. So that's why I decided to do this podcast channel for Kaizer Chiefs, because I love it, and I wouldn't be here telling you guys lies. The thing is, if I'm breaking a story in this video, and the story, if this video I'm dropping it and I drop a breaking story, someone would comment and say, "Unamanga, you are lying," and what. But after few days or few weeks or nominee, the same thing ebengikhuluma ngayo on the last video iyenzeka. The same person who was commenting on my videos saying ukuthi nginamanga and stuff won't come back on that video and say, "Sorry mfethu, you were telling the truth." Same as Rinaldo Lina. I've been talking about him. I told you about Bruce Vuma contract extension. Now it's been confirmed. Everything is confirmed. The people who were saying I was lying, they won't come on this video and say and what. So I'm not there. I'm just clarifying what I won't be here telling you guys lies. I love Kaizer Chiefs, so I won't be picking up fake news, your fake news on Facebook, what. I only take news from Facebook from reliable sources. I know my reliable sources. I know when they say things will happen, things will happen. So bafethu, I have updates on Fiacre Ntwari. Fiacre Ntwari is set to leave Kaizer Chiefs on loan. Kaizer Chiefs are exploring any loan deal for Fiacre Ntwari because they don't want to sell him, because they spend too much money on him bemthatha with Galaxy, so they don't want to sell him. I don't know why, because sell the guy and get the money you bought him with. But Kaizer Chiefs are not planning to sell him, so he will be going on loan. And let me tell you the fun part about this. Coach Fernando de Cruz said himself that Fiacre Ntwari is not in his plan for next season. And my question was, Lama player Kaizer Chiefs whom extended their contracts without Fernando de Cruz being here in the club in South Africa with the players, without him seeing players, what are they going to do? What if Fernando de Cruz decides to say, "No, Bruce Vuma is not in my plans, and just renewed his contract"? What he will do? sell him, loan him out. What's the plan? What were you doing without the new head coach? That's why I was so angry about that situation. That's why. Kodwa dlule ke kulokho in few last videos I updated you with uMahlambi, and I told you about the saga lapha ku TS Galaxy money what now TS Galaxy are looking to sell players, and TS Galaxy is open on selling uMahlambi to Kaizer Chiefs if Kaizer Chiefs are willing to come and buy him. We know the relationship of Kaizer Chiefs and TS Galaxy, and we know what Tim Sugazi loves to take money from Kaizer Chiefs because he knows how to make deal with Kaizer Chiefs. We know Tim Sugazi, he's a good approach. So I'm sure Kaizer Chiefs will go and get Umahlambi with plenty of money. The other news I have is that the Pili deal is looking unlikely. It's like I'm not writing him off. I'm not saying the deal of Opili will be off. No, I'm not saying that. But the situation just went cold. There are no movement. It's just cold. And if you are relaxed like this, if you are Kaizer Chiefs, uh, other teams will come. We know Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates comes in last minute. Sundowns can come in anytime and take him. So I don't know why Kaizer Chiefs are so relaxed. They should just go and get him if they want him. You're telling me 12 million is overpaying? That's not overpaying, bruh. This is a new football. Teams sell their players with higher money. So what do you say? And also I have some updates on Jamie Webber. You remember with Kaizer Chiefs, even before Jamie Webber left, Kaizer Chiefs were really interested on signing him. But you know what South African players agent do? They just the players agent of South African players, they just want money. I'm telling you. You remember when we tried to sign Ellis Mogwane? Ellis Mogwane was on fire for in the season, and then agent yakhe decided was no, you are not going there because I won't get imali ening, and then he decided to go and join Esperance. Now, my point is, if I am a Kaizer Chiefs manager or what, I'll be doing this. Those players who left while we were on verge of signing them, and they said no, we wanted to explore the different option in different countries. I will not sign them because I wanted to sign them before they go. And now those things are not going well on the other side, on those countries. Now they want to come back. And Kaizer Chiefs will always go for those players, I'm telling you. Jamie Webber has been out of the country. And I don't think angazi ngimbuke edlala lot kule club yakhe entsha, but I don't think izinto are going well for him. Now there are rumors that Kaizer Chiefs are linked with him. We've been linked with him from Sekhukhune, and we were on the verge of signing him. And then his agent decided, no, we want to play abroad. We want to play outside of the country. So, yeah, the deal failed. Same as Ellis Mokwane, same as Khanyisa Mayo. So Fundani knows these players, sometimes I feel used by these players. Ngoba mase bebuya le i-agent siyabona ukuthi ish alihambanga kahle i-career yakhe le, and his or her is exposed ukuthi I made the wrong decision for my player. You see, this thing of family, parents, and agent getting involved in players' movement, that thing sometimes can damage players' career. I'm not saying Jamie Webber is a bad player, but I'm just saying we wanted to sign him. and then his agent didn't want him to come to Kaizer Chiefs, and then that I don't blame them. I don't blame those players for not wanting to come to Kaizer Chiefs, because Kaizer Chiefs have been that's club. Yabo. We lost our we lost our what's in we lost an aura of attracting good players. Yabo. So yeah, it's something like that. But adlule lapho, Jamie Webber is a good player. He can come to Kaizer Chiefs anytime. If Kaizer Chiefs decide to go for him, he can come. So I have another update. Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed their preseason matches, and yeah, asondelene kakhulu ama-games. On 12th July, this 12th July, they will be playing Rangers lapha eSpain. These games they will be playing lapha eSpain. Rangers and this team, I don't know the name, Al Koholot. Yeah, in 15th July they will playing that team. 18th July they will playing Elche FC. I think Elche will be a good test for Kaizer Chiefs. But I'm worried about this. I'll tell you why I'm worried. On the 26th July, Toyota Cup, Scotland FC, we all know about that. 2 August, Lifofane FC, Lesotho. Let me tell you why I'm worried about these preseason games. Because we haven't had signings that we want. We only have 2 signings. And if there are more signings that we'll make, we'll have a problem, because ama-signing amasha azofika after i-preseason will take a long time to adapt to the club. Mina ngeke ngithanda ukuthi i-player if usayinile can go with the team kwi-preseason and dwell well with other players, with coaches, and yabo. So I'm not saying anything. I'm just worried about this preseason game. Bafethu, you can comment down below as usual. Tell me what you think nge-content enginiphathe lona namhlanje. Tell me what you think about Ofia Krinsware and goalkeeper situation lapha eNaturena, and this Mahlambi scandal. Also, you can tell me about the interest of Kaizer Chiefs on Jamie Webb. I'm not saying Kaizer Chiefs will sign Jamie Webb, but don't come for me, come a comment and say I said Kaizer Chiefs will sign Jamie Webb. It's just an interest. Kaizer Chiefs have been interested in him ever since. Comment and tell me what you think about the preseason games. That's all for this video, Bafethu. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you, Bafethu, for supporting me. Till I see you on another one. Danko.